Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Bybit account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bybit application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Bybit application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find two options over here: login now, sign up. If you do not have the account yet, you can sign up for your account. But if you want to log into your account, simply tap on the option login now. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the login interface. You can either log in with your email, mobile number, or you can also continue with Google or continue with Telegram. So simply tap on the login method that you used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to go with my email. So if you also want to continue with your email, what you have to do is enter your email address in the field of email address. You can see over here I've already entered it. After entering the email address, what you have to do is enter your password. So simply tap on the field password. Now enter your password over here. If you've forgotten your password, tap on the option forget password and you'll be able to reset it. Otherwise, simply enter your password. Now after entering the password, tap on the login now option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your Bybit account. So that is how you log in Bybit account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.